What's up, my beautiful people? So I'm back with the second video, and right here I'm going to outline my lips. This one was from Revlon. I can't remember the color, but I'll put it in the description box down below. Right here, I'm just trying to look at my bottom lips. Sorry, that's my sister. And throughout the video, like, I was talking because I didn't know that I was gonna do a voiceover, but and how's everybody's day today? Okay, that is the finished look. I think I did pretty well. Like, I don't know what I call this look though, but it will be on my title. So like, comment, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.